Hi, I'm Samir, and I'm going to talk about details of what serious UX is, how it is done, and what are the benefits of serious UX. Serious UX is something that makes business sense. It drives ROI for your organization, increases revenue, increases conversions. So, serious UX actually starts by asking you the right questions about your business goals. What are the goals you want to achieve? First of all, you need to measure the metrics that you need to achieve. You need to start at some point and then move towards your business goals. Serious UX then tries to achieve that through great user experience design. Serious UX brings clarity to the organization. It brings clarity about what are the goals I really want to achieve through this design or through user experience. Serious UX brings your focus to the users, their needs and expectations, rather than a technological innovation or technological change. The entire organization then gets focused on user or customer needs and becomes oriented towards user experience and customer experience in all of their actions and processes. Serious UX also makes experience sense, which means it tries to achieve users' goals, lets them not just complete their intended tasks with your product, but also brings in delight, engages them, drives them to do more with your product, and therefore achieve the business goals that are set out already. Serious UX addresses all of the stages of experience lifecycle. It just doesn't look at only when users are engaged with your product, but even before your users get engaged with the product. Serious UX would address all those stages of the experience lifecycle, right from attraction, entry, engagement, exit, and looks beyond the exit, which is the cumulative experience of users. What this brings about is a complete change and transformation to the user experience of your product, which will again bring a lot of ROI to the business. Well, let's see how serious UX is done. Serious UX is a balance between making business sense and making experience sense. It is a balance between achieving business goals through achieving user goals. Serious UX means data-driven design, and this data could come from various sources. This data could be qualitative in nature, it could be quantitative in nature. Qualitative data includes your business goals, the user's goals, users' needs, aspirations, expectations, motivations, and frustrations. Quantitative data could be your web analytics or information from your business metrics as well. All of this data gathered together and converted into a design means serious UX that achieves ROI for your business ultimately. So the focus is on understanding of users through user research and then converting that into designs that are meaningful to the users, that drive long-term value for users. It is not about painting screens, but it is much more than that. Letting users engage with your product, letting users convert into customers, and letting users complete their intended tasks with high efficiency and, of course, effectiveness. Effective UX also needs designs to be tested well during the process of product design. And this testing can happen several times, which could be formative test, a summative test, or even A/B testing type of things. And once the testing is complete, your design is completely de-risked. How to implement the designs? There's also benefit in working with the design teams closely to implement the designs. What are the benefits of serious UX? There are numerable. The benefits of serious UX are to the users, your customers, to the product teams, to development teams, and overall to the organization. It increases your revenues, increases conversions. Well implemented serious UX actually provides long-term value to your users and customers, and hence they remain loyal to your brand for a long term. Serious UX implemented well reduces costs of rework, costs of customer service, and costs of maintenance. It also helps you manage risks in the market. The benefits are numerable. It is just that you will have to implement serious UX very well. And so you must find a partner that can implement serious UX well for you. If you have any comments about this video or any questions, feel free to reach out to us. Thank you.